What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. So today we have two different variations of the Mini GT Liberty Walk and the Tandem GTR R35s. So one is the John Player Special, which comes in the gold and black livery, and other one is the GTR R35 Cosmopolitan Yellow. It's a metallic series, and as you can see the numbers are mentioned on the box. This is 125 and this is 140. So let's get them out. So there you have it. So the seal is broken and let's get them out and see how they look. As always, Mini GT is being able to send it with a proper packing, and as you can see, damn, that looks gorgeous. I'm actually loving this variation now, as definitely it looks amazing in person, and especially with the wide wing tandem wing, which comes in carbon fiber. And there you have the John Player Special black and gold series with the white wing. So let's take them out. So taking in at first, we are going to compare the Tandem R35. Looking at it closely, actually the details are amazing as always, as Mini GT has always been able to bring out their best in work. That is why I have been a major fan of the R35 series in Mini GT, and so far I think I have about close to 12 to 15 in my collection. Considering this car, as you can see, they have the body kit painting Cosmopolitan Yellow and the rims in gold and silver, and also you can see the wide wing which comes in carbon fiber and tandem name mentioned above. And then we have the John Player Special Edition gold and black livery R35. So as you can see, the Mini GT 140th edition, and talking about this edition, actually this is my very first black GTR R35 and probably going to be my favorite because I love black, and black actually suits GTR R35s and R34s. And especially talking about this, the bonnet and the hood is also given a touch of carbon fiber with the wide Liberty Walk wing. And as you can see, Mini GT and the John Player Special livery has been able to bring out the best in the R35 by giving out gold outlines to the car, which actually gives out the best look in it. So there you have it, the R35 Cosmopolitan Yellow and the R35 Liberty Walk Edition John Player Special Gold and Black R35. Also, we have another special limited edition R35 coming into the channel, and this is the Tandem body kit Passion Pink R35. So this is actually the US exclusive, as you can see, and this is one of the OGs for Mini GT, and as you can see the number is mentioned 123. This is the Passion Pink and the color is absolutely amazing. This is somewhat similar to the magic colors that comes in Mini GT, and this is a limited edition which limited to 1800 pieces worldwide. So there you have it, the trio R35s. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news.